This is the stem stitch. It's a very simple stitch that looks elegant when finished. It's great for straight lines. It's great for curves. It's really nice with applique. It covers up any edges that might tend to fray. I'm going to work it along this circle here. So I am bringing my needle up and just pick a point to start with this one. I do like to work this stitch from right to left. So I bring my needle up and then I'm just taking it down a little bit. My next stitch is going to come up right in the middle of that stitch, but you're not actually going through the thread. You're just bringing it up in the middle area and then taking it back down. I'm following this black line as you watch me stitch here. So now I'm bringing the needle up again, not coming through the thread, just in the middle section of that previous stitch, and then I'm bringing it down again. I'm using a size 3 pearl cotton, which is the thickest pearl cotton. It's one of my favorites to use because I really like my stitches to show up, and this thread really helps them to be visible. So you see, I just keep coming up halfway in the middle of that stitch, the previous stitch, and then I'm going forward. Just like that. And that is the stem stitch.